a really easy block to make, and it's a very quick quilt to piece. It's made from layer cakes or any 10-inch squares. The quilt finishes at 65 inches by 73 inches, and you can go, there's a link below the video to my blog where it has all of your the information you need regarding fabric requirements. But I'm going to show you how to piece the block, how to cut and piece the block here. You'll need 42 of these 10-inch squares, and you're going to put them together in pairs. Now I'm just going to cut one pair right now, but if you want, you can stack several pairs and cut them all at once. So your first cut, you're going to cut it in half, and you just cut it in half. It's 5 inches. So you have 2 at 5 inches by 10 inches. You take one side and you're going to cut a 5-inch square. And then you're going to cut 2 at 2.5 inches. 1, 2.5. Okay. And separate these out. Put all the greens in one stack and all the oranges in another. And you can leave these squares right now. This one you're going to turn like this, and we're going to cut 9 inches. So now we have it is 5 inches by 9 inches. And then we're going to cut 2 long rectangles at 2.5 inches. So this is your scrap here. And again, separate out the colors. So we're going to put the greens there and the oranges there. Now, for the orange stack, you're going to put the green square, and for the green stack, you'll put the orange square. And you cut all of them out like that. To piece these, you're going to start with your square and then your small rectangles, and just piece the small rectangles on the side. Now I press toward the rectangles, and now you're going to piece the long rectangles to the top and bottom, and then press toward the rectangles. So here you have your 2 blocks from your 2 squares, your 2 10-inch squares. So now when you lay these across, you're going to mix them all up, and you're going to have 6 blocks across, and then you'll make 7 rows down. So here is the long rectangle, and we're going to alternate the placement of the long rectangles. So here it's going on top and bottom, and here it's going to go on the sides like this. And this is because you don't have to match any seams when you do it this way. So this one will be up at the top and the bottom, and do that all the way across. Now when you get to the next row, you'll start with a different one. So this is across, so these are going to be up and down. Again, you don't have to match any seams. And they'll just go just like this. And then sew your rows, sew your blocks into rows, and sew your rows together. And you will have 2 borders on this quilt. The first one will be cut 1.5 inches, and the second one will be cut 6.5 inches. And you can see all of the instructions are in my blog. I hope you make one of these quilts. It's really fast, and it's really fun and easy to do, and it's a really pretty quilt when you get finished. Thank you for watching.